Hello, and welcome to my presentation about my questions for Jacques-Yves Cousteau. So, some background information about Mr. Cousteau is, he was born in Saint Anta-Cubas, France. He traveled around the world in his ship, the Calypso, and he published his first book in 1953. He also founded the Cousteau Society, which its main focus is to spread the idea of ocean preservation. Um, being a marine biologist, this helped him become a naval officer, an ocean explorer, and the co-developer of the aqualung. Some of his achievements are being the co-creator of the aqualung, which is now the predecessor of the modern-day scuba diving apparatus. He was also crucial in the development of the waterproof camera, which is now a tool that all sea venturers use to capture and document their findings and materials. So some questions I have for Mr. Cousteau are what he would tell us about like how can we get help out and how does it feel knowing that he created a tool that is now helping uncover and discover new species of life.